I guess you were right. Maybe nothing was going to happen. Crap! We must have used too much power on the tube. You grab Steven, I'll grab Foven. On it! Steven! Steven, where are you? Come on, we gotta go now. He's probably gone. We'll make a funeral about him later, okay? Come on, let's just get out of here. Alright. Crap, I must have dropped Foven on the way out. I have to go back for him. You can't. There's not much time. We gotta go now before he explodes. Look, we've been friends for 4 years, and even if I almost died twice, that doesn't mean I have to go. I have to save someone's life. It's important. But I'm sorry. This is for your own good. Now, let me save him. Wait! You can't! You have to come back now! I'm Roven. Who are you supposed to be? Well, I'm Loken. Loken Damerman. I don't really do much. I only do researches. Do you like researches? Yeah, of course. Researches are amazing, dude. How could you not like it? I mean, I do like it. It's just that they don't understand it. Yeah, I could agree with you. But hey, let's be friends till the end, okay? I promise we will never separate, alright? Okay. Huh? What's happening? Who are you supposed to be?